friends, to another edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Kevin. Today we're going to be making a vegetable quiche. Before we get started on cooking this recipe and putting it together, let's first talk about what ingredients you'll need to make it at home. So the ingredients we'll be needing to make this dish is 1 cup of egg beaters, half a cup of low moisture 2% mozzarella cheese, half a cup of tomato chopped. I'll actually be using this, which is a diced tomatoes with green chilies. You just add some chilies to the recipe, so you could do that as well. Half a cup of broccoli, we're gonna chop that. Half a cup of zucchini, 2 light Swiss Laughing Cow cheese wedges, some salt, pepper, and onion. So we're chopping our broccoli up for this dish. One thing I would recommend, because we're only using half a cup of broccoli, is to remove as much of the tree trunk, if you will, as possible. So kind of try to go down in there, protecting your fingers, and really try to eliminate as much as the stem so that you're getting more of the tops of trees, like you see there. So this recipe really is pretty easy, guys. I believe in you, you can do it. First, you're gonna take your 1 cup of egg beaters. Gonna put that in a bowl. Next, we'll grab our half cup of cheese. Then our half cup of broccoli chopped. Half cup of tomatoes. Now I used canned tomatoes that had chilies in them just to give it a little extra kick. And also I didn't have tomatoes, so don't be afraid to innovate. If you don't have something at home and you have something else that'll substitute, give it a try. Have fun with it. Don't stress out about it if it's not the exact recipe. If it's, you know, 3 slices over half a cup, it's fine. It's gonna be okay. Half a cup of chopped zucchini. And then we have our seasoning here: salt, pepper, onion powder. So I have minced onions because I ran out of onion powder. So again, just making it with what you have at home. That's what's great about it. So if you didn't have broccoli and maybe you had cauliflower, or you wanted to use another vegetable in there, you're the one eating it. Put in there what you enjoy. So there's no right or wrong ways of doing this. Next, we'll get our Laughing Cow cheese in there and we're gonna mix it all up. Putting it into our electric set pan, and we're gonna be taking our oil and spraying our pan down so it sticks to it, and then taking our mix, and I'm just gonna put this in here. Make sure we get all the cheese, right? No cheese behind. How great does that look? And then we're putting this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 35 minutes. So again, we have the oven set at 375 for 35 minutes. Have it baking in there. Timer's going off. Take a look. Look how beautiful that came out. Thanks, friends, for joining me on today's recipe of vegetable quiche. This came out, my God, it smells amazing. It looks great. I can't wait to dig into it. But not all recipes have to be complicated and hard. This was very easy. A couple ingredients mixed into a bowl, placed in the oven at 375 degrees for 35 minutes, and you've got a beautiful looking breakfast dish, which I love breakfast. You can have it any time of the day, in my opinion. But I just want to say thank you so much for joining me on this recipe. Hopefully it inspires you to get cooking in your kitchen as well. Make sure on YouTube you subscribe to the Christy&Kevin Brown channel so that this way you can get updates as when the videos are coming out. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at KevinBrown_coach for the latest recipes. Thanks guys.